Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in and use your Bajaj Finserv DBS bank credit card step by step. If you're already a cardholder or planning to get one soon, make sure to watch this video till the end. It's going to help you manage your credit card easily and securely. So, let's get started. You can access your account in two ways, using DBS Card mobile app and online portal. Method 1. Using the DBS Card mobile app. 1. Download the DBS Card app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 2. Open the app and tap on New User. Register. 3. Enter your registered mobile number, set a password, and follow the on-screen instructions. 4. Once registered, log in with your credentials to start managing your credit card directly from the app. Method 2. Using the online portal. 1. Visit the official DBS Credit Card Portal at https://www.dbs.com. 2. Click on New User Registration. 3. Provide your card details and registered mobile number to create your account. 4. After registration, log in with your username and password to access your SuperCard dashboard. How to use your Bajaj Finserv DBS bank credit card. Step 1. Online shopping and payments. Use your 16-digit card number for online purchases on any e-commerce platform. If needed, enable international transactions via the DBS Card App. Step 2. Contactless payments. Simply tap your card on any NFC-enabled POS machine for quick, secure transactions. Step 3. EMI conversion. Convert big purchases into easy EMIs using the Bajaj Finserv EMI Store or DBS Card App. Step 4. Rewards and cash points. Earn 2 cash points for every 200 Indian rupees spent and redeem them for travel, shopping, or dining through DBS Delights. How to pay your credit card bill. Option 1. Via DBS Card App. Open the app, go to Payments, select your card, pay via net banking, UPI, or wallet. Option 2. Online payment via Bajaj Finserv. Visit the Bajaj Finserv credit card payments page. Choose from multiple payment methods, debit/credit card, net banking, UPI, or Bajaj Pay wallet. Under Financial Services and Taxes, select Credit Card Bills. Choose Bajaj Finserv DBS Bank SuperCard as the issuer. Enter your 16-digit card number and follow the on-screen steps to complete the payment. Option 3. Offline payment, check. Make your check payable to DBS Bank Credit Card. Know your 16-digit card number. Deposit it at any DBS Bank or Bajaj Finserv branch. Reward points and benefits. Earning cash points. Earn 2 cash points for every 200 Indian rupees spent. Reach monthly spending milestones to multiply your points, up to 10x rewards, depending on your card variant. Redeeming cash points. Redeem your accumulated points for flights, hotels, shopping, dining, and more via the DBS Delights platform. For more details, visit the Bajaj Finserv DBS Bank SuperCard page. Always make sure you're using official and secure websites to manage your credit card account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gitter Official, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more useful tech and finance videos. See you in the next video. Have a great day.